Hello guys, this is Sanjana parihar, an intern at LEXIS and Company, and I'm pursuing BLLB. This is my first year, and in this video we'll talk about a writ, habeas corpus, and in the next videos we'll talk about each writ and we'll discuss them all in uh, at great length. Okay, so starting with habeas corpus. Now, right of personal liberty envisaged in different human right conventions and Article 21 of the Constitution of India. In one of the most basic human rights, habeas corpus, which literally means to produce the body, is protection against illegal and arbitrary detention of a person. The petition of habeas corpus determines whether the individual has been arrested according to the procedure established by law, or habeas corpus is one of the five writs through which an individual can approach to Supreme Court or the High Court for the implementation of the fundamental rights. Now, what is the origin of this habeas corpus? The origin of habeas corpus can be traced back in 1215 AD when King John signed a landmark document, Magna Carta, where the 39th clause of this historical document stated no man shall be arrested or imprisoned except by the lawful judgment of his peers and by the law of the land. The concept of habeas corpus is embedded in legal system all over the world. For the instance of States, through the first Judiciary Act of 1789, Congress explicitly authorized the federal courts to grant habeas corpus relief to federal prisoners. Now, what are the features of the writ of habeas corpus? The writ habeas corpus primarily acts as a writ of inquiry. Moreover, if sufficient legal grounds of arrest are missing, the court will order immediate release of the individual. The writ of habeas corpus is a remedy available to the person who has lost his personal liberty, and as such, it cannot be invoked to challenge past illegal detentions. However, the Supreme Court has expanded the dimension of the writ, and now the court awards compensation not only for the past illegal detention but also for the loss of life, as was done in the case of Radul Shah versus State of Bihar. Now, habeas corpus, when can it be availed and invoked? For the enforcement of the fundamental right, the right of personal liberty is a fundamental right in the virtue of Article 21. Hence, if the executive arrests or detains a person without the authority of the law or the contraventions of the procedure established by the law, the High Court or the Supreme Court will order to release the individual from the detention by the virtue of writ of habeas corpus. This was all for today. In conclusion, the text of the Constitution or its spirit remains alive and well only when the rights provided in this sacrosanct document are implemented on the ground. The job of such implementation lies with the constitutional courts, and when they abdicate their duties as they did in the famous habeas corpus case, democracy and the rule of law are pushed into darkness. Now, the attitude of Supreme Court in petitions relating to Kashmiri political leaders, anti-CAA protectors, and other dissenters in the past couple of years is also following the pattern that raises significant question on both the independence of the judiciary and the protection of the right of personal liberty. So this was all for today. If there's any question related to the content, do let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, the feedbacks are welcome here, and if you like the content, do like the video. This video does not solicit any kind of promotions or the advertisements. According to the Bar Council of India, it's for educational purposes only. Thank you, and subscribe LEXCLIQ for more videos like this.